Okay, so I'm moving on now to doing the next part of this Rogal Dorn build. Now, the next part I'm going to do is build up the kind of little bits that attach to the hull. So just basically little exhaust ports, plates of armour and things like that. So all of these are going to basically just start off with. So what part do I need first? I need 39 and 54, which are little curved pieces. Let me try and find those quickly. Here they are. So they're over here with the track guard area. So 54 and 39. My initial plan of just doing a single video for this whole thing fell apart when it took me better part of an hour just doing the whole plates and nothing else. It is a big kit. I mean, like years ago I built a Baneblade and that was a job and a half. This is nowhere near as big as that, but still. It's enough of a kit that you're not just going to do it in a single sitting. Worried I'm getting audio from my son next door who's screaming at his games. Unlike me, he doesn't mind playing online. I've never really been a big fan of online gaming. Don't like playing with other I don't know why, but I just don't like playing with other people on computer games for the most part. Not like people I don't know anyway. Okay. Right. So these two parts go around the front here. So one on there, one on the other side. So let's just double check. So the grill is the part that points to the top. There we go. Nice and simple, that part. Now to start building up the exhausts. So where are we looking at for the exhaust sections? I think we'll be going into different positions here. Oh no, good thing is I think they're all over here with these drop panels. So 11 and 12. So there's two 12s and two 11s. They're all numbered the same, which is good. Okay, so oh gosh, I thought broke a bit off then, I hadn't done. Okay, so what we've got here is these little flat ones, look like they slide in there. It's quite interesting, this one, because it looks like you would probably say that, like most Imperial tanks, just trying to look how this one goes on. Yeah, make sure you put the studs outwards, because I just noticed then as I was about to put it on, it's very easy to put it the wrong way around. Yeah, yeah, most Imperial tanks, I'm pretty certain, have upward exhaust, so this is quite an original looking concept. Although one thing you got to remember about the Lehman Russ battle tank, or at least the old one, is you could just put things however you wanted. You could even move the positioning of the exhausts. It's one of the great things about that kit, you know. So bit of conversion work, and you could have the exhausts wherever you wanted them to be in positions, you know, keep one on, leave one off, or whatever else, and it would just be a very interesting setup. Okay, now let's get ourselves the engine guards, which are over here. They're labelled number 10s. Now you got little Aquillas, sculled Aquillas on here. Just gonna try. I want to make sure this is nice and flat, balanced as well. Yeah, so because there's Aquillas, you're going to have to make sure that you put them on the right way round. I built a knight a while ago, and I realised that I put a part on upside down, and it bugs me because obviously I am going to have to take it off to fix eventually. Okay, so yeah, skull needs to point upwards. Just do a quick dry fit, make sure I understand how that's fitting on. Yeah, it's quite. I'm going to overglue this. To make sure that that fits in nice and snug. There we go. And there we go, there's the exhaust guards on. Now, moving towards the side, so we got a 116, which is, looks like a whole side panel by the look of it. Oh look, there's a spare bit of track. I just found it. Yes. I was really worried there wouldn't be. It's just a personal like, so I'm gonna rescind the negative that I gave this the other video where I said it didn't have any spare tracks and I was unhappy. Right, let's start off finding 116. I'm gonna assume it's on here. Yeah, there it is. So this 116. Yeah, like a look at point. See that I've got where it's cut off, it's like it's not looking right. There we go. Okay, so this is going to pop on the side here. And then and the 116, it's on the same sprue, and I saw it before, not 116, 115. Keep making mistakes like that. Keep saying the wrong number. It's 115. Okay. Then this one's going to go on this side. And then I need 118, which I saw before. I know I did over here. It's been next to that where we got 116 from. Pop this on the back here. And there we go. Ooh. That does not seem to be sticking. Let's put a bit of glue here. Okay, now 119. So again, same sprue. Skull Aquila. So, Sculder Quiller is going, by the look of it, let's check, over here. To find the ones like this, a good idea to take them off and put them back on a few times just to let it bond. There we go. And then 1, 2, 3. This one here. Another place to look out of. This is going to fit over this here. Doesn't seem to be gripping. There we go. Right, now 30 and 5, which are, by the look of it, lights. Now, don't see, oh, I can see where they are. They're over here on this one with the side panels, and it's 30. It's going to go there, and 5. So is it 5? Yeah, 5. There we go. So 5 and 30. Good now. It's getting a good appearance. So there we go. These are the kind of like what you might call all the little hull extensions all sorted out now. So I think that's a good point to leave it, because that's a 20-minute video and we're moving on to the hull then. Not the hull, the turret weapons. So please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.